Hello, Brandon. This is Rhonda. I guess you probably know that. I want to go over some things because somewhere I lost you. I'm going to talk a little bit about truncation. Maybe that video wasn't as descriptive as I needed it to be. The reason you use truncation is sometimes you have a word that has varied endings or tenses. And instead of searching each and every piece that it may be, future, past, different suffixes, whatever may be happening to the word, you can use in a truncation device, which is the asterisk, but you need to stop it at the most common place. Okay, I'm showing you here, and I may put this in the list too. Suppose you're looking at mask, and you know that it also comes out as mask and masking, and you want to search them all. You put the truncation mark at the most common place. So here you see that's the K, so the truncation mark goes there and finds mask, mask, or masking. Suppose the word is statistic. You find the most common place, that's the C. You put the asterisk there, so then it gets all the suffixes like statistical, statistics, and statistic itself. So if we look at what you have as decreasing, and I'm not sure that's really effective, but it's according to what your search is. But let's see, decreasing. So you want to put decreasing. You want to have decreased. Yeah, you're going to have to go through my sing-songy typey thing. And so I can confidently go up and put decrease. And the asterisk would actually go there. And it would also get decreases. So you just needed to back it up to the most common point of the word, and then this will get decreasing, decreases. The part before the asterisk doesn't have to be the full word or be a word, just the part of the word that's the most common that'll get you all these pieces. Like prevent here. You see the T, prevents, prevented, preventing. Now, let's look at the phrase searching. While indeed, I think decreased rate has a lot of value, but spread deaths, not so much. But you know what does? COVID-19 spread, put that in quotes. Community health in quotes. Face mask in quotes, public health in quotes. Those are actual phrases that people use a lot, but they're also very strong words individually. So when you want them to be together and not spread out across the paragraphs, such as face day happened and it was wonderful, and there were masks for the children. You could get something like that. But if you put face mask together, your search results will have face mask together and get you a stronger, focused return on your search results. And finally, this. Now, you're going to try to use this to increase your focus and get rid of things. So COVID-19 and death rate, awesome. Because we're going to get COVID, we're going to get death rate, but in that the overlap is going to come to us. Now, decrease or increase, I'm not so sure about, because the or is synonyms, so you would get decrease. You'd get all the decreases and the increases, and with something else. We'll assume it's COVID-19, and I'm not sure that's going to get you where you want to go. So kind of rethink that. Some examples I've built is something like face mask and public health. I didn't really. Oh, an or. A good or would be like COVID-19 or coronavirus, for instance. So I'm going to ask you to rework those on your own, because these are in the final project. They're in the top part, so you really want those to be right, because you'll start losing points in the final project. And keep in mind as well, I'll be so glad to go over it with you in advance, and you get points for my personal review. So I hope you're having a great day. All your resources look awesome. You're totally on track. And I'll see your Module 5 stuff. And if you need to talk to me, I'm in the Zoom open room on Mondays. It's at the top of the module, 6 to 10. If that doesn't work to you, I would be glad to make an appointment anytime you need. I hope everything's going awesome.